Hey guys, welcome to another video about Robopost. This is a tutorial on setting up and using the white labeling feature. If you're on the agency plan, you can fully rebrand Robopost as your own software. That means your logo, your name, your domain, your brand. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about white labeling, from setting up branding assets to managing subteams. Let's dive in. With white labeling, you can rebrand Robopost with your own name, logo, and branding elements. Use your own domain for a seamless branded experience. Customize support emails and replies. Provide a custom email for documentation support. Make sure customer emails come from your domain, not robopost.app. Control usage limits for your clients. Integrate your own live chat for customer support. Automatically apply watermarks to post images. Add custom links to the menu bar. Manage multiple subteams and client accounts easily. Let's go through the setup process. First things first, you need to be on the agency plan. If you haven't subscribed yet, upgrade your account from the subscription page to unlock white labeling features. So let's set up your brand. Go to the team page in your Robopost dashboard. Expand the white labeling settings section and upload your software logos. You can also set up your support email and reply to email. Support email is used for customer inquiries, and reply to email is used for system communications like post summaries. Now, your clients will only see your brand, including in emails, logos, and the software interface. If you want to use your own domain instead of robopost.app, contact our support team with your domain name. We'll set it up for you manually. Once it's done, your branding, including your custom logo, will be reflected on your domain. Subteams act as workspaces for your clients, fully branded with your identity. When they log in, they see your name, your logo, and receive emails without any Robopost branding. Let's create a subteam. Open the Teams page in the dashboard and select See Subteams. Click Create New Subteam. Enter the team name and add emails of the team members you want to invite. After you create a subteam, you can manage its settings on the Subteam Details page. You can add a custom URL for documentation, which will show up as the Docs link in the footer menu. You can also integrate your own live chat for customer support. Other than that, you can set usage limits for scheduled posts and channels, add custom menu links, manage watermark settings. If you turn this on, every image in your subteam's posts will automatically have your watermark applied. To add new members to your subteam, select the team you want to manage from the left menu. Open the team page and click Invite Member. Then enter their email addresses, set permissions, and click Invite. They will receive an email with an invitation link to join the subteam. That's it. You now have everything you need to set up and manage white labeling in Robopost. If you'd like to review the details further, check out the documentation linked in the description or feel free to contact support. Thanks for watching, and happy posting!